Welcome to the world of Xero. Xero Online is a powerful tool that can simplify your bookkeeping tasks. It's like having a digital accountant at your fingertips. As a virtual assistant, you need reliable and efficient software to manage your clients' finances. That's where Xero comes in. Xero is cloud-based accounting software. This means you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. No more clunky spreadsheets or outdated software. Xero helps you track income and expenses. It also manages invoices and gets you paid faster. Say goodbye to messy paperwork and hello to streamlined accounting. Xero helps you provide top-notch financial management for your clients. This guide will walk you through the essentials of using Xero Online. You'll be a Xero Pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Ready to dive into Xero? The first step is creating an account. Visit the Xero website. You can easily sign up for a free trial to explore its features. Choose a plan. Xero offers different plans to suit your needs. Select the one that aligns with your client base and budget. Enter your business information. This includes your business name, contact details, and industry. Customize your settings. Set up your financial year, currency, and other preferences. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Xero account. Now you can streamline your bookkeeping tasks and impress your clients with your financial expertise. Organization is key in bookkeeping. Xero makes it easy to manage your clients and their projects. Creating a new client. Click on the Contacts tab. Select Add Contact. Enter the client's information. This includes their name, contact details, billing address, and any other relevant information. Save your changes. Creating a new project, optional. Go to the Projects tab, click on New Project. Give your project a name, assign it to the relevant client, and set a budget if needed. Save your project. Now you have a clear and organized system for managing your client list and their projects. This helps you stay on top of your bookkeeping. Section 4. Time is money. Tracking your work. Accurate time tracking is crucial, especially for virtual assistants who bill clients hourly. Xero makes it simple to track your work time. Using the Xero Timer 1, go to the Timesheets tab. 2. Click on the Start Timer button. Select the client and project you are working on. 3. Once you're finished, click Stop. The timer will log your work hours automatically, manually adding time entries. 1. From the Timesheets tab, click Add Timesheet. 2. Enter the date, client, project, and hours worked. 3. Add a description of the tasks completed. 4. Save your time entry. By diligently tracking your time, you can ensure accurate invoicing and get paid for all your hard work. Section 5. Expenses made easy. Logging what you spend. Tracking expenses is just as important as tracking time. Xero simplifies this process so you don't miss a single receipt. Manually adding expenses. 1. Click on the Business tab and select Expense Claims. 2. Click on New Expense Claim. 3. Enter the expense details. This includes the date, vendor, amount, and a description. 4. Attach a copy of the receipt. Xero allows you to upload receipts directly from your computer or mobile device. 5. Submit your expense claim. Xero also offers a mobile app. This app lets you snap photos of your receipts on the go. No more lost receipts or tedious data entry. Section 6. Invoice, like a pro getting paid on time. Invoicing should be a breeze, not a burden. Xero's invoicing features help you create professional invoices and get paid faster. Creating an invoice. 1. Go to the Business tab and select Invoices. 2. Click on New Invoice. 3. Choose the client and add the invoice details. This includes the invoice number, date, due date, and any applicable discounts. 4. Add a detailed description of the services provided. Specify the hours worked and hourly rates. 5. Review and approve the invoice. 6. Send it directly to your client through Xero. You can customize your invoices with your logo and branding. Set up online payment options to make it easy for clients to pay you quickly.